Hi, welcome back to our channel again. So, do you know that when you open any tab on your browser and you visit any of the website, by default it consumes some of the memory space, right? And each tab it will create some of the memory space. That means it will use some of the storage from your hard disk. And right now I am seeing for my Google Chrome browser, it is consuming 10 gigabyte of hard disk space, right? So you will see the same thing, and you can check also which website or which tab is using this much space. Like for my case, for this Google Chrome browser, I am seeing Google is using like 3.3 gigabyte. Chrome, then new tab is using this and so many things. So these are the applications or website I visited, and for each case it is creating some of the consuming some of the space. These are called cookie space or hard disk space, whatever you can say, that is fine. So let's see how we can clean this thing if we need. Generally, if we logged in our browser by using couple of Gmail or couple of application, we don't want to remove the things. I mean, we don't want to remove the password because we need to type every time. Okay, so we can save those things in the browser, and next time if we use the computer, it is easy to access. That's why it is actually creating some space, or also if we visit the site, it is also consuming some space. So let's see how we can access this type of page in Chrome. I will show you on step by step. So at first we need to open a new tab. I'm going to close this thing, and this is a new tab. There is nothing. Okay, then at first we need to click this three dot. Just click here, and then it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose settings. I'm going to click settings, and the settings window related to this browser will be opened. And from here we'll see on the left side there is one option is there, privacy and security. We just need to click here, and the privacy security related information will be there. So from this page we have to go down at the bottom, and then we'll find site settings. We just need to click here, and it will be expanded, and here we'll find couple of options are there. I mean, couple of website name is there, like drive.google.com and College Guard and Citibank. So these are the things, but it is not showing all of them. To see all of them, we have to click this option, view permissions and data stored across sites. We just need to click here, and it will be expanded, and here you go. So here you will find all the website or application whatever you used through this browser. You will find all the list, you will find list of those things, and here you will find for each website it is consuming how much space. Like for example, google.com, it is actually eating 3.3 gigabyte of space. It's a huge space, right? So in this way it is getting this space, and here also it is showing sort by most visited, and there is another two filters are there, data stored or name. And if you want to check, for example, we want to check nasa.gov how much space it is taking, so you can type here NASA, and it will filter everything, and it will show us the NASA related cookie space, right? So it is using 38.2 megabyte, and if you want to delete it, we can click this delete button, and it will be deleted. Then click the delete, and it will be cleaned. Okay, and then if you want to remove this filter, we can click here this cross button, it will be removed. I mean, the filter will be completely cleaned, reset, right? So these are the things. So you can sort this thing, data is stored, and it will show us what are the applications it is consuming much memory. So Google is using 3.3 gigabyte, Mega using 1.8, and some other applications or websites are there, they are using those much memory. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily access and manage site data in Chrome browser. There is another shortcut. We can also use this command, just this command we can open like this, and then we can just open any tab and then hit enter key of your keyboard, and you will find everything. So this page and this page are the same basically. Previously we accessed menu by menu, and this is a shortcut. If you want to, if you can remember this whole line, whole URL, then you can directly access this easily. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily access and manage site data in Chrome browser. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you guys for watching the video.